Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best water line splitter is probably one of the most underrated gadgets in your home, but trust me, it's a game changer. If you're tired of dealing with a single water line for your fridge and ice maker, or maybe you're planning to add a new appliance, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of water line splitters, exploring what they are, how they work, and why you might need one. Number 5. iSpring ICEK Ultra Fridge Water Line Installation Kit. This kit connects any water filtration system to your fridge's ice maker or water dispenser. It ensures you get crystal clear ice cubes and great tasting water. This is superior to inline fridge filters. The kit is ideal for reverse osmosis systems. It provides clean and refreshing water directly to your refrigerator. You'll notice the difference in taste and quality. Everything you need is included in the package. It comes with 20 feet of tubing, fittings, and a shut-off valve. It's a complete solution for your fridge water needs. Installation is simple and tool-free. The push-in quick connect fittings make it easy to set up. You can do it yourself without any special tools. The product is tested by an independent third party to meet NSF/ANSI standards. This ensures it's safe and reliable for your home. You can trust it to deliver clean water. What we like. This kit is perfect if you already have a reverse osmosis system. It ensures your ice and water are as clean as possible. It's also incredibly easy to install, saving you time and hassle. If you are looking for a simple, reliable way to connect your fridge to your RO system, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits like it should, easy to install, and no issues. I have a new refrigerator. This water line connection kit is easy to install. Now I have very clean water line for my new fridge. I don't need to buy the fridge filter, which is even more expensive in the long run. I installed this line as replacement for the old one and as a companion to iSpring RCC7 RO system. Whole process took about 30 minutes, including work in crawl space. Glad that I did, as the quality of our ice increased tremendously. No more strange smell or taste. Number 4. Waterline Kit for Fridge Ice Maker. This 1.4 waterline kit is perfect for various applications. It's ideal for connecting under-sink filtration systems, reverse osmosis systems, and more. It ensures you have access to clean water wherever you need it. Designed specifically for potable drinking water and refrigerator installations, this kit includes all the necessary accessories. Made from food-grade materials, it meets NSF/ANSI standards and is BPA-free, ensuring your family enjoys pure water. This kit is compatible with most refrigerator brands and models. Installation is straightforward, making it a convenient choice for your home. You can easily tap into your existing shut-off valve under the kitchen sink. Run the tubing to your ice maker, refrigerator, or water filtration system without any drilling. The professional tube cutter and quick connect fittings offer easy DIY installation. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection, saving you time and preventing potential issues. The fridge connection kit works with any RO system or filtration system that uses standard 1.4 tubing. Clear instructions are provided to help you complete the installation quickly and easily. What we like. This water line kit is incredibly versatile, working with various systems and appliances. It uses food-grade materials, ensuring your water is safe and clean. The easy installation makes it a breeze to set up. If you like having options and need a reliable connection for your fridge or other water appliances, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This kit is absolutely fantastic. The instructions were clear, the parts felt high quality, and everything you need is right there in the box. The star of the show for me was the little blue pipe cutter. I was expecting to have to fight with the tubing, but this thing sliced through it like a hot knife through butter, giving a perfect, clean edge every single time. It made the job feel professional, even in my very unprofessional hands. Number 3. YUHX Feed Water Adapter 38X14. This feed water adapter T is designed to fit both 1.2 and 3.8 compression water supply valves. It's perfect for standard faucet water lines, including brands like Moen, Kohler, and Delta. The lead-free brass water feed adapter valve is durable and incredibly easy to install. It features a push-fit quick connect fitting for 1.4-inch tubing, compatible with PX, PE, or copper tubing. Please note that the Quick Connect feature is not compatible with stainless steel or braided hoses. If you need to connect to a 1/4 compression stainless steel braided hose, you'll need a different size. This adapter allows you to tap into your existing shut-off valve under the kitchen sink. It creates an extra inline 1/4-inch T for various applications, such as fridge connections and RO systems. The feed water T valve is made of lead-free brass with a chrome-plated finish. It's built to last, with explosion-proof and compression-resistant features, ensuring safety and peace of mind. What we like. This adapter lets you connect multiple items to your water line without any drilling or damage. It's designed for easy installation, so you can set it up quickly. If you are looking to add a fridge connection, RO system, or water filter without any plumbing headaches, this adapter is the ideal solution. What people say. Product was a great fit and slipped in perfectly. Great solid feel and function. Really like the off for OD only included. Great product. Number 2. HAOCHEN Water Line Splitter for RO Filter. This is the HAOCHEN Water Line Splitter. It's designed to easily split your water line and provide water to multiple appliances. It's a convenient solution for your home. Made with lead-free brass and chrome-plated, this splitter ensures safe and clean water. The durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance and reliability for years to come. It features 3 8 and G12 inlet and outlet options, along with a 1/4 push-in quick connect fitting. This allows you to connect to various devices like RO filters and refrigerators. Installation is quick and easy with the 1/4 push-in quick connect fitting. The well-designed sealing ring prevents any leaks, making it perfect for both residential and commercial use. The 1/4 turn T-stop valve allows you to control the water flow. The high-quality valve core ensures smooth operation and a long lifespan, providing reliable performance. What we like. This adapter is made of lead-free brass, ensuring your water is safe. It features a quick connect fitting for easy setup. It also allows you to control the water flow. If you are looking for a safe, easy-to-install, and controllable water line splitter, this is the one for you. What people say. It was the perfect fit for both my water filter and existing piping. So far there have been no leaks or issues with it. It seems solid with quality parts. This one is built solid and it's nice they include the reducers with it to fit the different sizes. This valve is solid and hefty, the compression fitting outlet 1/4 inches is perfect and makes install a breeze. The adapter flips easily and has good tolerances. Number 1. ICEK Waterline Brass Fittings, 2. This is a pack of 2 1/4-inch ODX14 OD tube fittings. They are designed for easy and secure connections. You'll have everything you need in one package. These fittings are safe to use on both copper and plastic waterline tubing. This versatility makes it a great choice for many different setups. It offers a reliable solution for your waterline needs. The hex head design on both sides of the adapter provides an excellent grip during installation. This feature ensures a secure and tight fit. It makes the installation process much easier. High quality and deep threads allow the fittings to bite better. This design provides perfect compression for a leak-free connection. You can trust it to create a secure seal. The design ensures a perfect compression, resulting in a leak-free connection. This provides peace of mind knowing your connections are secure. It's a reliable choice for your ICEK water line. What we like. This product uses compression fittings for a secure and leak-free connection. It's designed to work with both copper and plastic tubing. The hex head design provides a great grip during installation. If you like a simple, reliable, and durable connection, this is the perfect option. What people say. Easy to use, work to repair the kink in my ICEK waterline. Installed this compression fitting with no problems and 0 leaks. Solid build quality, no defects. 5/8 compression coupler is excellent for 1/2 copper pipe. Very easy to use, no leaks, very strong connection unlike push-in connectors which rely on a weak rubber seal and weak claws to keep the pipes in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.